Next we will see what is Java Virtual Machine and Dalvik Virtual Machine. Before moving to both, let's see what is a virtual machine. It is a virtual representation or emulation of a physical device. So what is Java Virtual Machine? A Java Virtual Machine is an abstract layer between the Java program and the platform the Java code is running on. It is platform dependent and different implementations are available for specific platforms. For example, if you have a hello.java class and when you run this class file, then the JavaC compiler turns your source code to bytecode and creates a hello.class file, which means JavaC compiler does not convert Java code directly to a machine code like other compiler does. The bytecode is an intermediate code, which means humans cannot understand this code and it is not machine or platform dependent. Since bytecode is an intermediate code, so you can give it to anyone to run it on any platform. That is why we call Java applications as write once and run anywhere. As you can see from the figure, there is a .class file, and this class file is given to any platform like Linux, Windows or Mac, and it will convert it to its own native machine code. This is what is happening in Java Virtual Machine. Next we will see Dalvik Virtual Machine or DVM. It is a virtual machine which executes the Android applications. Since everything in mobiles is very limited, as you know, whether it would be a battery life, processing and memory, etc., it had been optimized so that it can fit in with low powered devices. Here in the figure you can see, except the last two processes, everything is same as in the Java Virtual Machine. Here the DEX compiler converts the class files into the .dx file that run on the Dalvik Virtual Machine, and multiple class files are converted into one DEX file. Now let's see what is the difference between JVM and DVM. The first difference is that DVM is register based while JVM is stack based. What is the difference between register based and stack based? Stack based means memory structure where the operands are stored in a stack data structure, while in register based the operands are stored based on the registers of the CPU. Second difference is that DVM uses its own bytecode and runs .dex file. From Android 2.2 SDK, Dalvik has got a just-in-time compiler, and in JVM it uses Java bytecode and runs .class file having just-in-time compilers. The third difference is that DVM has been designed so that a device can run multiple instances of the VM efficiently, and the applications are given their own instance, while in JVM the single instance of JVM is shared with multiple applications. The next difference is that DVM supports Android operating system only, while JVM supports multiple operating systems. The next one is that for DVM very few retools are available, and for JVM many retools are available. Retools are the tools which are used to build internal tools. The next difference is that there is constant pool for every application in DVM, and in JVM it has constant pool for every class. And the last difference is that DVM has the executable file APK and JVM has the executable file .jar. So these are the differences between JVM and DVM. So why Android uses DVM instead of JVM? Though JVM is free, it was under GPL license, which is not good for Android, as most the Android is run under Apache license, and JVM was designed for desktops and it is too heavy for embedded devices. But DVM takes less memory, runs and loads faster compared to JVM. That is why Android uses DVM instead of JVM. This is all about the difference between JVM and DVM. Thank you.